It's you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. In the days, your love so amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow all of my pride.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we are going to be doing something a little bit different, okay? So I'm doing something that is beneficial to all of us wig wearers. We all have that one day when we know our wig should not be up on our head. We know that we need to take the wig off because it's just looking dusty, crusty. You got the glue all rolled up on the side. The lace is lifting. Like, it's just looking like a complete mess, but you just don't got that mental energy to take your wig off, to put another wig on, or do your natural hair. You just okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do, which is how I kind of clean my lace in the front and get it all situated and looking like it should. So we're just gonna get into it because I know I can't be the only one that thinks like this. Okay, so the things that I'm going to be using in this video to like get my lace together, I'm going to be using 91% rubbing alcohol. That basically lifts up the glue from your lace and what's on your forehead. So it does a really good job at doing that. And I'm also going to use makeup wipes because obviously I have makeup on, and throughout the install I wear makeup, so I got to get the makeup off the lace. So I'm going to do that. Oh, and I got makeup on my baby hairs. So I got to use that. I'm also going to have a glove on my hand because of the fact that the rubbing alcohol deteriorates your nails, and I'm already missing one over here, and I'm going to fix it, but I just can't afford you know, to be messing up my other nails, okay? It hasn't even been 2 weeks. I'm gonna reapply the lace with, of course, Bold Hold. It's your preference. If you're doing this, whatever you wanna use, you can. You can use the gel or hairspray from Gossipy Glue or Ghost Bond or whatever. Girl, use what you're comfortable with, okay? So, yeah, we're just gonna get into this. So if you're gonna watch this, you might as well like it. If you're gonna like it, might as well go ahead and subscribe, right? Because there's obviously gonna be more videos that you like if you like this one. So we're already at 22. I want to get to 30,000 by December, by my birthday. You know, this year it's just gonna be popping. I'm 30. I just turned 30, okay? And I want to get to 30K. I think we can do this. Okay, I think we can. But yeah, so let's just get into this. And I'm probably not gonna have an outro where I'm talking, so I'll just say it here. I love y'all, okay? And I'll check y'all out in my next video. Bye.